Hi, it's Barry Z from the Barry Z Show at the Puck Building, celebrating Fish Fry with Liev Schreiber.
Hi.
Hi, what brings you here?
The Fish Fry. Fisher is a very dear friend of mine, and I'm hoping that he remains a very dear friend of mine after this evening, but yeah, he's going to roast.
I think there are better ways, frankly, to raise money for the theater than to attack the character of a 41-year-old actor on the downside of a slightly overambitious career.
Now listen, Liev, we love you dearly, and if we want to go home with you and go to bed with you, what movies of yours can we rent?
I like Walk on the Moon.
Who knows what I could have been if I had a chance to go to college, but I didn't. And you know what? I was okay. Because I figured that no matter what I screwed up in my life, no matter what I felt gypped out of, I had the most important thing right. I had you. No, I don't.
I really like The Manchurian Candidate, but it didn't seem to do that well.
Somebody got into our heads with big steel-toed boots, cable cutters, and a chainsaw, and they went to town. Neurons got exposed, and circuits got rewired. Our brain cells got obliterated, Raymond. Please.
You need to get help, Ben.
What are you doing?
What else do you have coming out these days, movie-wise?
I've just directed a film. I wrote an adaptation of Jonathan Safran Foer's book, Everything is Illuminated.
Hi, it's Barry Z at the Puck Building for Fish Fry with Mariska, with Kristen, and with Juliana, who are celebrating Fish Fry. What's going on here tonight?
We're going to roast our friend till he fries.
Why?
Because we love him.
When they called me and asked me why to come be a part of it, I couldn't figure out why they invited me, and then I realized I may be the only woman in this room who hasn't slept with Fisher. So they asked me to just come up with a couple of reasons why I'd never slept with Fisher. So I just jotted down a few. Hope that's okay. Cheap. Smelly. Cheap. Poor man's John Lovitz. Poor man's John Cryer. Poor man's Matthew Broderick. Fred Savage. Doogie Howser. David Kelly.
What are you going to say on stage?
I'm saying nothing. I keep my mouth shut when it comes to Fisher Stevens.
You?
We're all saying very mean things, but it's out of love. He's
You only hurt the ones you love.
He's gonna laugh tonight and really cry tomorrow.
Thor, could you stand up, sweetie? There you are, my sweet man. Fisher, this is Thor. Thor. I know, fish.
Hi, Thor.
But, you know, I just want to, I want to tell you a few things about Thor. Thor has a body that is chiseled. You are a chiseler. Thor gives me orgasms. You ask if I have them.
Was your mom Jane Mansfield?
Yes, indeed. Thank you.
And of course we love you in Law and Order.
Yes.
We love you. Where are you now, Kristen? In what series?
I'm not doing anything right now.
And you're in, of course, ER.
No, haven't been in ER for about 5 years. Where you been?
Talking to me?
Hi, it's Barry Z from the Barry Z Show at the Puck Building, celebrating Fish Fry with Matt Dillon. What brings you to this great event?
Well, looking to shed a little light on my friend Fisher. No, he's an old friend of mine, so this is really going to be fun. A lot of fun.
A lot of fun. Are you going to roast him?
Yeah, we're going to roast him.
One of my many fans came up to me at the airport
And he asked me to autograph a photo. And as I was signing it, Fisher leaned over my shoulder and said, "Gee, Matt, you look awful hefty in that picture." Hefty. I looked at him and I said, "At least I've got a complete neck." Which reminds me of our trip to Vietnam together. I was really at the end of my rope with this guy, and I was sick and tired of the smelly rooms, the constant harmonica playing, the whoremongering, the diarrhea, the penicillin shots, the pissing blood. And finally, on a flight from Da Nang to Saigon, I couldn't take it anymore. I'd reached it. That was the end of it. I reached out and I nearly wrapped my entire hand around that broom handle neck of his, and I shook him like a rag doll. I wanted to kill him, and if that stewardess hadn't drop kicked me, I'm telling you, Fisher, you wouldn't be here tonight. There wouldn't be any roast.
We've worked together in a couple films, a number of films.
Which ones?
Starting with Flamingo Kid. So I've known him for 23 years.
We got 4,175 at a penny a point, and we got 62 boxes at a nickel a box. And it's on a Schneider, so the score is doubled. Let me add this up here.
Jeffrey, that's 89.70. If you divide that 3 ways, it's $29.90 each.
Correct as usual, $29.90. Yours each $29.90.
You know what my favorite Matt Dillon movies are? Just quickly. Crash, In and Out, Drugstore Cowboy, Something About Mary?
Yeah?
He's clean.
What do you think we should do about this, Mr. Thayer? My partner and I just witnessed your wife performing fellatio on you while you were operating a motor vehicle. That's reckless endangerment, which, incidentally, is a felony. And we can charge your wife here with lewd conduct and performing a sexual act in public. And you say you're a block from home. Now we could use our discretion and let you go with a warning, or we could cuff you and put you in the back of the car. What do you think we should do, sir? To Howard Brackett from Greenleaf, Indiana. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh. And he's gay. You know, I've been thinking a lot about this night, and I've decided to dedicate this whole night to a great gay teacher. Mr. Brackett, we won!
After any kind of drug haul, everyone in the crew indulged. I laughed to myself as I pictured blues allotted in such great amounts that the spoon would literally be overflowing. Upon entering my vein, the drug would start a warm itch that would surge along until the brain consumed it in a gentle explosion that began in the back of the neck and rose rapidly until I felt such pleasure that the whole world sympathized and took on a soft, lofty appeal.
Set?
Oh, good pooch.
All we had was some Oreos. How does that sound, honey? Oh my God. He's got him wrapped up like a baby.
Quick question. Are you coming to Broadway where you belong?
No, I don't have any definite plans at this point, but I certainly would be interested in the right production.
Hi, it's Barry Z from the Barry Z Show at the Puck Building celebrating Fish Fry with Naomi Watts. Hi.
Hi.
What brings you to this great event?
Well, Fisher's a friend, and it's always great to, support theater groups and,
Have you worked with him in Naked Angel?
No, I haven't, but, it's something I would like to.
Are you roasting him?
No, I'm not. This is a roast-free zone. No, but, in Australia we know how to roast, so I'm ready.
Of course, I loved you in Ring 1 and Ring 2. What's up next?
It's hard to say. I just finished doing King Kong, and right now I'm on holiday.
You're Fay Ray?
Yes.
I'll be your King Kong anytime.